Hey there, Financial Frontier here. To chart your path to financial freedom, and today we are starting a new series where we cover how exactly famous entrepreneurs became rich, how did they make their first $1 million, and what can be taken away from it. So the first entrepreneur who we're going to talk about is Andrew Tate, because arguably there is no other better entrepreneur to learn from. Andrew Tate is a British entrepreneur and former professional kickboxer who has made a fortune through various ventures. He started his career as a kickboxer and won multiple world championships, which helped him gain popularity and a large following on social media. Andrew Tate capitalized on his popularity and turned himself into a successful businessman. He has made his fortune through a variety of businesses, including real estate, e-commerce, and cryptocurrency. One of Andrew Tate's most successful ventures is his real estate business. He has invested in various properties in the UK and around the world, including luxury apartments, commercial buildings, and vacation homes. He also offers real estate investment advice through his website, helping others to build their own portfolios. In addition to real estate, Andrew Tate has also ventured into e-commerce. Andrew Tate on drop shipping. He is the founder of two successful e-commerce companies, both of which sell niche products. His first company, Tate Martell, sells bodybuilding supplements and workout equipment, while his second company, Cobra Castles, sells bouncy castles and other inflatable products. Both companies have been successful and continue to grow. Another area in which Andrew Tate has made a significant fortune is cryptocurrency. He has been an active investor in various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. He has also provided cryptocurrency investment advice through his website, helping others to navigate the complex world of cryptocurrency and make informed investment decisions. Apart from these ventures, Andrew Tate also made a significant portion of his fortune through webcam modeling. He owned a webcam business, named it Camsoda, and employed models to perform live shows. While this business was controversial and received criticism from some, it was a profitable venture for Andrew Tate. Important to note that this is how he made his first $1 million. In addition to his other business ventures, Andrew also established himself as a successful author and motivational speaker. He has written several books, including The Tate Manifesto and Cold Hard Truth, which focus on his personal philosophy of success and overcoming adversity. Andrew has also shared his insights on self-improvement and entrepreneurship through seminars, podcasts, and social media platforms, where he has amassed a large following. Despite facing criticism and controversy throughout his career, Andrew has remained focused on his goals and continues to pursue new opportunities. He credits his success to his relentless work ethic and unwavering self-confidence, which he believes are essential qualities for anyone looking to achieve their dreams. Andrew's story serves as an inspiration to many young people who aspire to build their own businesses and make their mark in the world. In conclusion, Andrew Tate is a self-made millionaire who has achieved great success through his entrepreneurial spirit and relentless determination. From humble beginnings, he has built a diverse portfolio of businesses and investments, including a webcam business, a real estate portfolio, and a cryptocurrency trading platform. Andrew's story demonstrates the power of hard work and perseverance in achieving one's goals and serves as an inspiration to those who seek to follow in his footsteps. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and we hope to see you in the next one.